Restart.
Hi, good morning, everybody. This is Nakaya here. What do you want me to say?
I thought you had some. You came out powerful.
I woke up blessed this morning because I'm in Cape Town, South Africa. What's good?
Like that. You know my pockets be fat. Set around, thought you get snacks. I'm about to bring out the rack. Two up in my pocket, that sack. These are like a rat. I just cool 10 bands, that sack.
Thank you.
Pleasure, bye.
So yeah, we're at the world of monkeys. Hey, look at it. It's a little parrot goober.
What's up, bird?
What up, y'all?
Y'all from G-Force?
Into here? You just walk in?
Yeah.
Hello.
Your bags I should carry on the front because they will undo the zips and they steal things, they get up the tree with it.
All right.
Okay?
Good.
They will come to you. Please don't grab hold of them.
Oh, look at that one. Hey.
Come on. In. Oh.
What did he do? Whoa. He's about to take his camera, bro.
They feel like human hands.
Oh my god.
Bro, my braids!
They really like your bags in.
Funny.
Get it off.
It's about to get your ass.
No, it's good. I'm good. Oh, whoa. He's upset. This is crazy. They really like the bracelet. Come here. What's up? No. That you don't eat that. Yeah, what up, brother? I'm gonna need you to get up here. All right. Right up. Oh yeah, you want it? You want it? Come on up. Pop.
I wanted to look at it though.
Whoa. Camera's ready. Oh my God. If you sit down, they'll come to you.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my god! Oh, they're biting me! See you, buddy. Follow me out. Thank y'all.
We have to come back.
No, it's only.
What up?
This one is extremely dangerous and will bite.
Oh, wow.
She was born in captivity. Her parents were fed on alcohol. They were fed on a stupid diet. People do stupid things when they keep animals. Hello. Who's a good boy? Where's Zoe? Come, Zoe. Come on. There's a good girl. This is a capuchin monkey. They use these monkeys for paraplegics because they've got the same hands. They can open doors and things like that.
Like service monkeys.
Yeah. And they were also the first type of monkey that was used when they went into space.
Oh.
Because they're so intelligent.
What kind of monkeys are those?
They're squirrel monkeys.
No way.
Is that Zaboomafoo? She said bye, Texas.
Bye.
Have a nice holiday.
Thank you.
Can we go in there?
Yeah.
They won't do nothing.
I don't want to go up in there.
All right, you all go. That's a crow. Shut up. Come on, Zane.
Go. Hurry.
I'm not ready. I don't want to go. I don't want to go with these birds.
Oh.
See that one?
Come on, Zane. Whoa. Get right under him.
Wait.
You're a little too short. Okay.
No, 'cause-
now you completely eliminated the bird. Now it's just us. Hey, let's get next to this one.
No, I don't want to.
He is hissing.
Bro, he's making noises and shit.
I think he's dying.
No.
Don't tell me.
Hey, girl.
Hey, what's up? Come on in, guys. Come on in.
Don't play with me. I'm a fight.
Come on.
Oh. Man, y'all annoying.
Hey, they're cool though. They're real friendly. Get next to this one.
Them don't.
Look at you.
Are they?
Oh, that looks so sharp.
He about to throw up.
Hold up. Hold it. Stop.
6'5" man.
Stop. That is an ugly owl.
Dang. That was good. That was good, Kai.
Yeah, I'm ready to get out of here. Bro.
You wake me up every morning. I'm done with you.
So those were the monkeys and the owls. Almost got picked off by a duck.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Get it.
Invading their privacy.
There they go, G-Force. Special agents.
There's spiders right here.
Oh,
No, you go first.
No, I promise you'll be
Oh,
fine.
let's get out. Let's get out.
What is it?
The spiders, are these spiders?
That's right.
Oh, they're right here. Look at them. Wait, no. Okay, let's go.
Go ahead.
Oh,
Go.
Oh, hey, what's up? Oh, the fans of the vlog right here. This is some of my fans. Fan meetup. That's cool. Hey, I'll catch y'all later. Sign some autographs here. It's whatever. I got fans all over the world.
Is it on? It's recording.
We're back at Camps Bay Beach. We're gonna take our shoes off this time and just head out onto the beach. That's cold.
And I got red hair. I forgot the lyrics. And ready to know
that mic
what
not
the
screw on?
people know. Asking my questions and get some answers. What's a fire and why does it? What's the word? Burn. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore of Baba, out of the sea, someday out. Oh shit! I didn't know you were over here.
We're back. Had a good day. We're really wrapping things up. Things are moving quickly now. That's kind of sad. Like, I'm gonna miss this so much. So I really gotta make my time here. I'm really excited for this weekend. If I haven't mentioned it before, I'm not going to. Well, we have another guest. Guest speaker.
Guess who's here? What's good, boys? Alright, y'all. Well, like and subscribe to Justice channel. Are you making a YouTube channel? Comment and this is my boy Tay.
You know, comment below any criticisms that you have that you were just starting.
There should be a little box that pops up right here.